Hey Mocha friends, welcome back to my channel. So before I get into today's video, I just want to say shortly, just something really quickly, just so that my supporters on my channel can just look out for me a little bit. Someone had made a fake page of me, and on the page it says in the bio adult content, and then it clicks a link to a website that has something of explicit videos, but the videos are blurred out. So of course I do not make videos of adult content of anything of that sort. So somebody's either trying to do a scam or someone has a personal vendetta against me, and I feel like it's a personal problem with me because the person who made the fake page has followed all of my same followers, and it just wants to either tarnish my name or something in that sort. And honestly, I do not know who this person is. It's really confusing to me because I really do not talk to people like that. I just talk to my close friends who I've known for years. So the fact that this person is even going out their way to make a fake page of me, and then I'll post it right here to show you guys. It has basically my name on there, and my original username is _mocha_latte. But this fake page has it under _mocha_latte with an extra E at the end, so that people will really think that's my page. And I just feel like because it's saying adult content in the bio and clicking a link for like some type of similar OnlyFans page, like that really bothers me because I have been building my self with YouTube and my followers. So please, if you see this page, or even if you don't see it and you're my supporter, can you go to this page? If you have an Instagram, go to it. It is _mocha_latte, and the latte is LATTEEE. That fake page has 3 E's at the end. And if you're watching this and you are the person that has a problem with me, then I don't feel like you should be hiding behind a fake page. Like, I feel like that's so sad. I mean, I'm 27, we're like almost 30, so I just feel like that's so childish. But I just wanted to put that out there to all of my followers, my supporters. I do not do adult content at all. I would never do that. I would never put myself out there like that. I would never expose my body in that type of way, ever. So like, again, if you see that page, report it, block it, please take that down. Thank you. Okay guys, so let's jump into something positive like today's video and the hair that I will be trying on my hair today. So I got this hair inspo from Curly Chris, and she's an influencer on YouTube and Instagram. I'm pretty sure you guys all know who she is. So she got her inspiration from someone else, I'm not sure, but we're all natural girls and we get our inspiration from each other. So I wanted to try this style out as well, and when I try out styles that I haven't tried out before, really, I show it with you guys. So I thought this will be a really good video. So I'm so excited. So I'm doing the 4 jumbo braids in my hair. And disclaimer, if you hear my daughter in the background, that's her. But anyways, so I'm using the same hair that she used as well. So if you did see her video, she used this hair from this brand. And hers came, she got hers from a website, but I went to the beauty supply store and they only had single ones. And this is Beach Curl 18-inch, the color 2. And they only had singles, so I got 4 packs of the single one. So I'm pretty sure this will work out pretty good. So hopefully it does. So I got this, and also, sorry, I got the bag from the beauty supply store. And I also got this Shine and Jam that she also used in her video. So I will be trying this out as well. I was so excited to do that. And then I saw that she used jumbo rubber bands, so I got that too. So not copying, but I just love the inspiration and I just wanted to try it out as well. But I do shout out everyone that I am inspired by any hairstyles. I shout them out. I don't copy. I just say, you know, we're all inspired by each other. So can't wait to try this style out, guys. So stay tuned. So prior to recording this video, I've already washed my hair, guys. So I'm getting ready to part my hair into sections and get ready for this protective style. But I am most likely going to part my hair off camera because for some reason I cannot part. So I have to have a close-up mirror to do this. So of course you're going to see me do this off camera, but I'm just trying to prep my hair a little bit and show you guys that I am doing it in 4 sections. So I do love the idea of using the jumbo rubber band instead of the smaller ones. I did not think of that. So that was actually a good idea that I did get from CurlyCurlss. And the jumbo rubber band is actually sturdier than the smaller one. The smaller one always breaks on me. And you do have to pull the rubber band in order to secure it. Twist it around a couple times so that you know that your ponytail is secure, and this jumbo rubber band works. And like I said, you want to make sure your ponytail is secure, because as you're feeding in the hair, you're going to be tugging on your hair, and you want that ponytail to be in place. So this is the hair. It's like that little beach curly hair there. And I'm just going to take pieces from it and feed it in. So there's so many ways that you can feed in the hair. I've seen some people, they start with placing a rubber band on the hair and just place it on top of their hair and just braid it that way. But I struggle with doing that. So I am just going to feed it in. As you can see, I placed it on top of my ponytail, and then I'm just starting to just feed it in and braid going down with my own hair. And I found that that way was a little bit better, even though I was struggling a little bit, but I felt like that way was better as I started going down, and I can feed in the hair better that way. I mean, I know there's so many different methods, but this way worked for me. So when I reached the stopping point of where I wanted the hair to end, I did place a rubber band at the end of the hair so that it won't unravel. Well, the hair will not unravel, and it'll have that curly part at the ends. Okay guys, so of course this is the final results of my hair, the 4 jumbo braids, and I love how everything came out. The only con that I did have about everything, I did not think it would take this long for me to feed in each braid. I thought it was 4 jumbo braids, so it shouldn't take that long. Guys, I was struggling trying to feed in the hair, and usually I do not struggle with feeding, but I did, and it took me longer than expected. And then some are bigger than the other, but I was just like, you know what? I don't care. It is what it is. This is how it's gonna come out. And also too, when I do styles like this, my forehead is like doop, revealed. And also too, I do have a cyst here. If you guys ever well, if you did notice, it is here, and I have to go get a procedure to get it taken out. So if you want to see that journey of my cyst or whatever I have to do with that, then leave me a comment below and I'll try to record that journey. So if you do like this video, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that button below and a notification bell so you're not missing out on any of my videos. See you.